What have you got here? You've got tools.
Well, my basic toolkits. This one is ivory tops, key tops, shanks, stringing, center pins. And then this side is my tuning side with the tuning tools and basic things that I would grab to take into a house. Should I ever need any little pieces and stuff that fits in the middle, and I've got this will hold splices for strings and little pieces and parts for keys and action work, and a action technician's guide for regulation. Basic measuring tools. It all fits right in here. Well, this is my vehicle for local calls. It is called an ELF, as you can see, and it stands for Electric Light and Fun, and it's a...
Electric? There's electric?
It's got an little electric motor, battery powered, is charged by the sun while I'm sitting in the piano. It charges the battery.
Oh. And what's your speed on it?
20 miles an hour.
20.
It's classed as a bicycle, so it doesn't have to be tagged as a vehicle.
And you pedal it too?
I can pedal it too. And it's operated a lot like a bicycle with the brakes, and but it also has turn signals. No, you can't see them.
I can see it.
Has headlights.
And it has headlights.